First of all, the significant, as you said, is that we're down here for the first time ever. We took over Galliano Bank in '87, so it's nearly 30 years they haven't been here. But it's a very, very strong signal for the supervisory board to tell the jurisdiction and Gibraltar, of course, our commitment to Gibraltar.
And why did the board decide to do this? Why did it decide to have its meeting outside Denmark and specifically in Gibraltar?
It was basically to come down and see Gibraltar, but of course also the bank. Our bank have changed dramatically over the last 5 years. We have gone much more into the local business, specifically into the corporate business. So we want to see Gibraltar and what have happened the last 10 years, because a lot of things have happened in Gibraltar the last 10 years.
And of course, we've seen big changes to the banking sector very recently as well, with some banks departing. So will you be looking towards getting into the retail industry at all?
We are doing more and more retail business, but of course also more and more corporate business. Unfortunately, we have had Barclays now finally closing down in Gibraltar, which I'm very it's a pity for Gibraltar that we had Barclays closing down. We have seen other banks closing down, but that's definitely not our aim to close down in Gibraltar, and that was not why they were down here. On the contrary.
Okay, and as a result of the many changes that you made locally, quite a bit of a facelift as well in the facade. Does this reflect any changes internally in the business structure?
Not as such, but you can see on the windows we have set a bank out of the ordinary, and what we really would like to try to do is make banking easy, personal and out of the ordinary for everyone in Gibraltar.
So after this meeting with the supervisory board, can you tell us what sort of impression of the local branch the board has taken back with it, and what impression of Gibraltar it takes as well?
In general, first of all, I'd like to say we had great help from everyone in Gibraltar, specifically from Chief Minister, came to the bank, gave a very good brief about Gibraltar. When we had Albert Mena, Financial Secretary, told about the finances of Gibraltar, that have again developed fantastic the last years. And then we had some local real estate agents telling about the property market in Gibraltar, and then we have them show them Gibraltar, told them about the history of Gibraltar, and they came or have left Gibraltar with a very good and have fantastic feedback of what they have seen in Gibraltar, and they're very impressed about the development that have happened in Gibraltar.